Still battling with orders, missed tickets, communication delays, overwhelmed staff, a kitchen fighting to keep pace, and the numbers still don't add up? Look no further. QRecipe introduces the Waiter, the smart app transforming restaurant operation, with orders flowing effortlessly from the table to the kitchen and bar. The service becomes faster while mistakes become fewer and your team focuses on the customer experience. Instant access to allergen information at your staff's fingertips, helping teams respond confidently, protect customers, and deliver safer service without delay. Whether it's a busy cafe, a small or a full-scale restaurant, Waiter adapts to your rhythm, helping your business move smarter, serve better, and grow faster. Behind the scenes, the Waiter gives you the numbers that matter. Track costs, monitor sales revenue, measure order completion times, uncover daily ordering trends, and receive automated updates of your inventory. No more confusion, bottlenecks, or guessing. Just precision, speed, and total control. With the Waiter, every second and every number works in your favor. Smarter service, safer dining, stronger teamwork, faster onboarding, powerful insights. Join QRecipe to learn more and keep on improving food intelligence.